Hello, people. I have my son right here with me in the studio. Young blood, say hello to the people.
What's good, internet?
Taking that idea to do something extraordinary is what I love about graphic design. I have designs I saved during the week, and I'm going to share why the designs are successful to me, so you can apply the principles to your next project to create something magnificent. So
let's start.
The reason why I save this design is because of the reading that we have on the title. Now listen guys, because we're in a world where people are used to seeing real image in design, the making type serve as illustration in your project is one of the ways you can surprise your viewers, because people rarely see this in design project. So whenever you're asked to work on design project that is related to movement, or you're trying to depict motion, or you're trying to echo words from the mouth of a character, this style is best used for a project like that. All right, so that's it for this design, and let's go straight to our next design. The reason why I love this project is because of the Radiate layout that we have. And when I say Radiate, I'm talking of making your layout have this, radiate effect that you're looking at here. This, swoosh or zoom effect that we're looking at here on my screen. Now, this is how to use this type of layout. If you have something important, like something, I know every element in your design, every information in your design is important. But when you have something you really want to make the attention of your viewers quickly go to in your project, Radiate layout is best to quickly point their attention to that important information. And if you're looking at where to place that element or that information you want your viewers to quickly see, it's best to place it right here in your project. All right. And before using a Radiate layout, I'll advise that you take your time to pay attention to the background, to the element you're using in the project. The reason why the Radiate layout here is successful is because of this perspective that we have on, the road here. All right, this, part that we have here on the road, and also because of the way we have the trees in different scale. If you look at this particular tree here, you see this is smaller compared to this. All right, so when you're trying to achieve a Radiate layout, please make sure that the element that is close to the element that you want people's focus to go to should be smaller, and the element before the small element should be bigger, like the way we have, this here. And the same effect is what we have here. And then see, this is bigger and like that. So that's how to create Radiate layout. And I'll go straight to my next design. So the reason why I decided to save this design is because of the way the designer blowed the figure in this project. Now, the job of every designer is to find ways to surprise the viewers, to make the clients love your project. All right. So when you notice this figure in your title, one of the ways you can draw the attention to the project is to do what this designer did here. Blowing of type is something that is not really common in graphic design. So when you do this, you're going to make people focus, pay attention to the project, and read every other information that you have in the project. And see guys, if you're successful making people spend time looking at your project, trust me, that project is successful. And that's what this designer did here. And listen guys, I'm not saying you should wait till when you have a project that says Oceans 13 before you apply this principle. So I love this design because of the way the designer make the figure 13 bold.
I'm sure you learned so much from this tutorial. Now, if you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button, and remember to click the post notification bell so you get notified when I post my tutorials. Now guys, let's help other creatives. Share this video with other designers. Let them also learn from this tutorial. And if there's anything you want to share with me, drop it in the comment section of this video. I'll do my best to reply you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.